Okay, here I go. Let's see. Come on. Come on, Dad needs a secret. I suck at opening packs, dude. Got it.
What? Nice.
Hey, this looks like an alternate art.
Yeah, oh, that's a secret rare. Oh, nice.
Oh, hey, yo, got a secret rare.
Hey, Carlos.
Got a secret rare right here.
This is the face art, right, Michael? Yeah. So tell Marco.
And watch my luck go way down.
Purple.
My luck's gonna go down from here. What is it?
Omnimon.
Thank you.
No, you can't.
I'm getting it. Well, I'll take it at home.
Yeah, well, obviously.
Alright. Sorry, we haven't done this since Dragon Ball. Does Jesse need this?
Yes, I do need that.
Alright, hit me up after this is over. Yeah, hit me up after.
Knowing that it's within my reach, but not being able to.
Not the one I need.
Yeah.
Just wait, man. Just wait.
Are these the ones that you have in your critical one?
Gankumon Accent. Does anyone play these?
What is that?
I don't know.
Is that Digimon X?
Yeah.
I'm gonna need that.
Right. Again, send me up after, man. I love the. I'm not gonna lie. I really love this blue blazing memory. I love the way that looks.
Does that mean you want to build blue flare?
Huh?
Does that mean you would want to build blue flare?
If I pull up stuff, I consider it. Maybe.
I can see you playing blue flare.
Huh?
I can see you playing blue flare.
If you see, I can't argue that. It would be sweet. Michael, Dark Knightmon.
Nice.
Who needs Venusmon? I'm gonna just assume Marco does.
Yo.
Did you guys get anything, Jessamine?
Not
No.
yet.
Surprisingly, no. Actually,
Okay, pulled one tamer at least.
I pulled a couple. I pulled this. You Amano.
Hit the tamer for.
Bogger Army.
Yeah.
I just think it's purple. Last pack. Come on, give me some luck. No there, Dark Knightmon, Michael.
No,
So-
another one?
No, I got another one. Sansamon. Who plays that?
Crossfire Heart B. Okay.
Alright, it's on my packs.
Same. Alright, let's see. That's not bad, actually. So we have 5 eggs.
Okay, let's see. This video is gonna look so rough, but I don't mind it.
So there's going to Ooh, we got another member team. I think they said no. Alright, so we got our 5 eggs.
How much is this secret rare going for?
Hey, Bozy, are we allowed to use the cards from the previous pack? No.
Let's move a little bit. Okay. This is what I pulled. That's probably the best I pulled so far.
Yeah.
I love this shade of blue. I might really consider building blue flare.
You should do it.
I might honestly. Greymon, that's my baby right there.
God bless.
I can guarantee you when I have my deck fully rared out for Black Hole Greymon, I'll never love a human child more than I love it.
Oh my god.
What'd you get, Jesse?
God.
Man, you bought a lot of blue flare stuff.
Yeah, that's what
Yo, we can trade for that.
I know. Afterwards.
We should have switched packs at the beginning.
I'm literally just looking.
All right,